to what's happening. And this is January, what's today's date? It's the 30th? And we had another snowstorm. Look, can't even see the baskets because of the snow. Yeah, we're going to Food Lion. Babe, why are we going to Food Lion? Snacks? Beer, snacks.
Holler the weed person.
Holler the weed. We already did that. We already did that.
You should have recorded me last night.
I should have recorded you last night. When you said your heart was beating really fast.
They come from that ooh wee.
That's where they come from?
That ooh wee.
You was real random last night. We gotta get a basket, no? What the hell's wrong with him?
I know you ain't got that person.
I love me some meat. T.O.? Huh? My T.O. shit?
Look at the wheel, man.
Get another one. What?
My leg.
Oh.
He did.
I haven't seen you.
I'm talking about.
No, you didn't. Cut myself this morning. Gross. That basket messed up.
You ain't see my hood. I gotta show you my hood.
What it look like?